Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chelsea, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my everyday makeup routine, which is basically just to cover up acne scars, and dark spots. So I do this every day for school, or when I'm going to church, or when I just don't want to put forth that much effort either. And then be showing you guys what I use too. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna put up my hair because my bangs are like low-key in the way right now. And I think that I might just like leave my hair up and then have my messy front bangs or something like that for afterwards. I'm gonna put some little clips to hold them back. So I normally just start off by doing one layer of foundation on my skin. It's not really foundation, I use BB cream. This is my COLORTON thing. I get most of my makeup products from the mercados in Mexico because I'm broke, and they actually have pretty good stuff for like super cheap. Like I probably get this thing for 50 pesos, which is like $3. So we're gonna go on with that base, and then I use this Maybelline eraser for my dark spots and for lightening up areas. So I just go underneath my eyes, side of my nose, on my chin, forehead, and then right here, and my eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna go in with this LA Colors green color correcting thing. I use this on my acne spots. Whoa. I use this on my acne spots so then I can like get rid of their redness right here. It's like really bad because I had like a whole bunch of chocolate over the weekend, so it's extra hyper pigmented, if that's the right word. And I just blend out the green in those areas right here. That way then it's not like a splotch of green and I look like the Wicked Witch of the West. Is that her name? I think it is. I can't really remember. Now that that's all set, I'm gonna blend out first my foundation right here, and then I'm gonna blend out the concealer. That way then it doesn't like override each other, you know? So we're gonna go in with the foundation. And I wet my beauty sponge before doing all this, because having moisturized skin and a good base is always the best thing for your makeup, because having good skin is the base prep for like good makeup. I learned that the hard way. Blend that all nice and well. I'm gonna like beat my face up. I'm gonna have bruises on it by the time that I'm like 30. Don't pause the video because you're gonna see me like. Also, pro tip for those of you that don't know much about makeup either, like look up and then blend it, or like up and then blend it. That way then you don't get as much creases in it as normal. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing your skincare either right before putting on makeup, because then that like adds product to the base, and you don't really want product on a base. You want it to be flawless and clear, so then it blends good. So that's another tip. I normally just always do my skincare, and I low-key forgot that I was gonna be filming this today. So okay though. Then I go in with the contour for the base. I use this Beauty Creations one. It's like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, I think, or maybe it's a dupe for the I can't remember. But anyways, I go in with their contour. Low-key, it's like the shade of my base foundation, but it's okay because when I bought it, I like tried it on my hand, and that's like the one mistake that I did, because it was like contour on my hand, but then I put it on my face and I was like, oh, that's not contour. But it works still. It does the job. Since I have an oval shape face, I go in on the, always blend upwards too. I go in on the sides right here on my cheekbones to give it that look, you know? And then I'm gonna blend it down and around my forehead. Okay, and then my jawline, just gonna brush it out. Why does it look so orange on this side? I'm gonna go in again with the concealer and lighten up my darker areas, and then give it that like lifted look right here. So then after this, I go in with my setting powder. I use the COLORPOP powder, and then I just set it on my T-zone area and then underneath my cheekbones so that it like highlights it, but I use this one right here. I don't know, it's pretty good and it's pretty cheap. I think it was like $10-13 around there, but I've been using this for like a while. It's lasted me forever. So I put my powder on the sides of my nose and under my eyes. Okay, we're gonna go around right here, chin. I think I did my forehead, I can't remember. I don't know, I'm just gonna put it on there again just in case. Go like that. I also got these little things from Shein. It was like a pack of like 30 for $2, so steal or what. I also cover up my pimples with powder so that then they look more blurred out from the texture, you know? There. I'm telling you, it was not a good weekend for my skin. I ate way too much chocolate. But then again, chocolate is my weakness, guys, and I can't really like avoid it. So I'm just gonna say that it was worth it. Next, I'm going to draw my brush. I'm just going to whoosh, go up. Base is all set and done. I normally put on my setting spray after my base, and then once I'm all done, so like at this point I would put on my setting spray. I use the Urban Decay one. That's like the only good product that I have in my whole makeup thing. Totally recommend it. It's so good, superb, love it. Anyways, my mom has it right now, so I can't really use it. I don't know where it's at right now, so it's lost. These two brushes right here that I use for my eyes. I use this angled brush right here to do like a little wing for like eyeliner. And then I have this brush right here that I use for eyeshadow. I use this like cafe light brown shade because it goes really well with my eyes and it makes them pop. I feel like since it's like a natural color, it just brings it out more, if you understand what I mean, right? Like those doe eyes, Bambi eyes, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to blend that out a little bit because I think I might have overdone it on this side. Oh my goodness, she needs a wash. This girl is like beat up. I've used her for a couple months now, so it's time to like clean it out and get a new one. But anyways, then I'm going to take the angle tip brush and then go for this darker color of brown right here. And then just angle it down like that. And then up. It doesn't really matter. Either side, it kind of gets the same results. And then I just blend it out with my finger. Blend it up. Like that. I already have like naturally thick brows in general, so I don't like spend that much time on them. But for those of you that don't have that thick of brows, I would definitely recommend try focusing more on your eyebrow shape when doing your makeup, because eyebrows is what makes everything. You have good skin, but you have bad eyebrows, your makeup isn't gonna look good. I just think that it makes your face shape. If you don't have eyebrows that suit your face shape, then it's not gonna look good. But if you do, then you could look like 1,000 times better. You could look like a diva. You could eat it up every single day. Like, who is this diva right there? The girl with the good eyebrows. Pro tip right there. And then on the angle tip brush, I also have like this like little thing on the end that I use to brush on my eyelashes. But mascara that I recommend you guys use would be the They're Real lash brand. It's like so good. It makes your lashes just like upturned. Chef's kiss, guys. Highlighter. I got this Sunlit Dream palette from Revlon in Marshalls like maybe 3 years ago, and this thing is a lifesaver. Like, it's lasted me so long. It's like low-key a little broken. Like, I lost everything in this one. Just kind of dirty. The mirror. It's so bad, but it's fine. She still works. And I just use the white highlighter and I put it on the corners of my eyes, on the arches of my brows, on my nose, and then on my lips right here. I don't really use blush for my face either because my skin is like naturally really red. So if I like get embarrassed in the hallways, it just shows right through. So I'd rather not use blush, but if I were to use blush, I would just put 2 dots right here, contouring it to like sculpt your face. Always go with what's best for your face shape. I'm pretty sure I already put a picture of face shape on the side, but I'll put it again just for you guys that missed it maybe. And then I just use a pink highlighter right here. Put a little bit on the top. So for everyday, I use this lip oil right here that I also got in the Mercado. It's like this like light pink thing. Go with a lip oil that's just natural color. Recommend if you want a natural everyday look. Or I will use this NYX Lingerie lip gloss. This is heavenly. It's like my go-to lip gloss. Go big or go home. This is it. She is it. She smells good too, so get on her, guys. It's so good. I pair it with this Temu like lip color shade. It's like orange, and I've like noticed that orange lip shades look really good with my skin, which is why I love summer so much. But it's like this shade right here with this pencil that my aunt gave me. Literally everything I use somebody gave me, or it's like super cheap, or I've had for years. So I don't know where she's from, because I think it says vintage by Jessica Lieberskin. It's like faded completely. Should I do that? I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Let's line my lips today, guys. And I don't like to overline my lips, because whenever I overline them, it just looks stupid. Because I don't have big lips, I have short lips. So since my mouth is so small, if I overline it, it looks like a woman, like. So I don't overline them that much. I just trace the edge of it and try to just make it look as even as possible. Timu lipstick. I'll try to link it down below or put a picture on the side if I can find it, because I don't know when the last time I was that I ordered it, but it was like this whole pack of like multi-lip colors. So we're gonna blend that. And then my lip gloss. Oh, she's such a beauty. Like, I mean, do you see that? Gorgeous. And there we go. That is my everyday makeup tutorial. Makeup always looks way better whenever it like sits after like an hour. I don't know what's up with that, but that's just how it is. It has a mind of its own. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the mirror right here. Can't really tell that I have acne, guys, but I like that. And this is the front view right here. Big eyes, so I kind of need to blend that out a bit more. Yeah. The dark school lighting pretty much looks like this, so this is what I look like in school. Don't know what else to say. This is lights turned off with my white light from the vanity. Maybe I just got lip gloss in my hair. I hate it when that happens. You have no idea what kind of stress it is. I mean, actually, no, you do. If you're watching this and you've done makeup, then you do know what kind of stress it is. That's pretty much it for today's video. I thank you all so much for watching and hopefully staying till the end. I hope that you will be able to join me for my next video. Have a great day. Bye.